So the introductions of this green revolution, the introductions of the green revolutions were made possible by the high yield varieties of the seeds, mainly the focus on the food grains, rice and wheat. So they made the possible by high yield varieties, the programs which was implemented as a package. Was a package. The mainly the fertilizers utilized. The fertilizers are responsible for the increase, and some other the chemical fertilizers, and also the support to the chemical fertilizers. The implementations in India, and the chemicals fertilizers and the high yield the varieties of the seeds, rice and wheat, and the ensure the availability of the subsidies, ensured the subsidy for the credit for the loan for the poor farmers. The cheapest rate for the given to the corporate society and the corporate bank, given the lower rate of the interest in poor farmers. So mainly in this topic, the usefuls for the fertilizers and chemical fertilizers, the increasing the high yield varieties of the seeds, the increase of the food grains, especially for wheat and rice, and also the government introduced the very low levels of the interest rate for the credit was given to the farmers through the cooperative bank and the society. Next topic for the MSP. MSP means minimum support price. Minimum support price. The farmer, the initial stage, the crop was announced in the beginning seasons. The support prices for the crops was announced at the beginnings of the seasons. The MSP means the farmers, for the crops was announced at the beginning of the season. The seeds. After that, and the process by harvested the grains through the harvested. The initial MSP means minimum support price. The beginning of the stage, the seasons, the beginnings of the seasons or times, and the state the persecuted the harvested grains through the food corporations of India. Through the food corporations of India. The FCI. The FCI means Food Corporations of India. They built a huge storage. The huge storage grounds available of India, and they built a buffer stock of food grains. They built a buffer stock of the food grains mainly for the some famine times or cyclone times, the using it fragrant. For example, now also the corona period times, so all the peoples easily available for the food grains for the support to the government. So here is mentions the MSP and the FCI. MSP means the minimum support price. FCI means Food Corporations of India. So the rabbit increased the food grains productions. So the rabbit increased the food grain productions mainly for fertilizers, pesticides and chemical fertilizers like that, and also the some of the appropriate technologies also the improvement in India by the intentions of mainly for the dairy poultries, and fisheries, milk productions, the eightfold increases. So, the lot of increases and the technology improvement, and also the increase of the dairy poultries, fisheries, milk productions, eightfold increases. But in India, the mainly for egg productions, the increase in 40-fold. The egg productions are 40-fold increases, and fish productions also the increase in by the 13-fold between the time of the independence and mid the 20s, the mid of the 20s. So the first, the independence, the first initial stage that depend upon the other countries, the richest countries. After that got the independence, India the planning to increase, the planning how to increase the food productions. The initial stage, the important given to agricultural sectors and industrial sectors, and the United States the planning how to increase the plan. And the first one is high yield varieties. After that, green revolutions. The green revolutions increased. The wheat and rice and food grains also increased. After some technologies also in investment, the inventions, the fisheries and milk productions also increased. The egg productions 40-fold and the fish production of 30-fold between the time of independence. But the India could not success in the oil seeds attaining the, it not succeed the attaining the self-sufficiency, the productions of pulses and oil seed, not developed in the oil seeds and the pulses. Therefore, India depend on the import to meet the requirements. So, depend to meet the requirements of the peoples. So, mainly, food grains development, but also the oil seeds and pulses that depend upon the other countries.